Don't fall over, Josh.
It's a maker one.
Okay, come on, Josh, we're gonna hide over here. We're gonna hide over here.
Yeah, we gotta hide over here. We gotta hide.
I told you not to bring that outside.
No, don't go out. Go out.
Okay.
So then, because then you can just go
Yeah.
up.
Let's see. You can see them.
I am.
No,
Aaron, say hi to Dad. Oh God.
Okay, here we go. It's a mega, massive.
Oh.
Oh, good.
It's a little blurry.
Hey.
Woo!
This is the only one we've caught.
Oh no!
More.
More!
do you want to go over with the kids?
I picked up.
Oh no, this one's noisy.
Oh no! Why is it so blurry? Is it like sighing over the
Because it's
camera?
nighttime. Oh no, this one's noisy.
with Dad?
Do you like being
Are you on FaceTime with Dad?
You're going over there?
No. Oh, there we are. It's
Are you
because I was
sending this
seeing
to
it.
Dad?
Yeah.
Hi, Dad!
Come on, Andy. We don't have all day.
This is my. Oh, this is a comfy spot.
Anyway,
I'm gonna
Rico?
tonight, unless it starts raining.
you can't really see anything.
You having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm sleeping there tonight.
Are you?
Hey, can you
Monkey see, monkey do.
sleeping bag for me?
Because all the fireworks have done.
Walk
Have you
past the
stopped
hobo.
it till
Monkey
it
see,
comes
monkey
up,
do.
Josh?
Oh, yes, he's coming.
Walking past the hobo. Monkey see, monkey do.
Did your cigarettes run out?
Come on. This one's noisy as.
Get behind me.
So I'm getting behind Aaron, with my knees in my shirt, putting my hoodie on, getting my arms in, and covering my ears.
We can see his crap.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa, whoa.
Woo! Is that it?
Nice.
Oh, yeah, there's another big boost coming.
Where there was billions more. There were billions more,
One
Andy.
blew up.
Andy, there's millions.
Is that cool?
Hey, Ma! Look at
Did
me.
you like it?
Oh, no.
I'm sure Dad liked that one. I said him to stop
Mata
working.
sana.
No, he's doing a mega!
What?
He's doing a
We
mega!
were talking about drugs in my school and someone said, oh, paracetamol?
Okay.
Oh, God.
Woo!
Whoa! Oh!
Hit the police helicopter! Make it die!
Where is that?
Oh no, there's a police helicopter.
Oh, yeah, it's Eagle.
There it is.
Something going down.
Where?
Going
Oh,
down.
Yeah, it was down here a couple of weeks ago.
it's right there.
Going down, mate.
There's a red
Hey,
guy.
sparkles in it.
What? Hey, look! Sasha!
No, that's Carlos.
Oh.
Carlos.
Hi, Carlos!
Everyone knows that Carlos is a dick.
Jake, come here. Jake, come here. Watch it. Fireworks.
Did Papa say that would come?
Yeah.
He let you. Wow.
He didn't let us do anything. Almost anything.
Oh well. Amiga! Amiga!
It's a mega.
It's a mega!
We're gonna come over here. Come over here. Oh,
We were talking about drugs in my school and someone said paracetamol.
block your ears. Block your ears. Loud. It's those big ones, Jay.
Oh no, I can't block my ears because I'm holding this. Uh-oh. Ah!
Ole, 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 ole.
Leo.
Little.
Holy crap!
That was so close.
That was so close to blowing up. My mega.
Mata sa no.
Jaden, we need to do some sparkles.
Stuff in my ears.
Oh, my arm!
Get your that big fat stomach out of her.
Oh, my arm!
It's fireworks day.
Yeah, she's liking them.
I know, because I'm having
Mata sa no.
Are you?
Yeah, just like food. Just my parents aren't home, and we'll do the rest of it.
Oh! Boom! Bang!
Hey,
Kablamo!
me.
Boom! Oh, God. It's close.
Oh, because it's meant to make fun.
Do you Chrissy down upstairs? Come here.
It's fireworks.
After this, we're doing sparklers.
I'm going to zoom in for this one. I don't know
You're
why.
probably gonna miss it, Josh.
What is sparklers?
How do we have to do it?
Oh, God. Yeah, I kind of
We
did.
did it so a long time ago.
Yeah, when we spin them like that.
Ah!
Oh no!
Ah!
It happened! Again!
It happened twice.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Come straight with me.
Oh, my God. Mom, did that hit you on the leg?
Yes.
Oh.